Hello everyone. We all know that HDFC Bank's Regalia Credit Cards are synonymous with luxury and lifestyle. But are you aware? HDFC has now tweaked certain perks on the card. Let's see how things have changed for you. Well, HDFC Bank has now updated its Regalia Credit Cards, elevating the airport lounge experience for its users. With effect from December 1st, 2023, the bank has now introduced new criteria for accessing the airport lounges. To enjoy this perk, cardholders now need to hit a spending milestone of rupees 1 lakh or more within a 3-month period. What is truly amazing is the fact that with the Regalia credit card, users will receive 2 free lounge access vouchers per quarter upon meeting the spending criteria. So let's see how it works. Step 1. Spend rupees 1 lakh or more in a calendar quarter. The second step is visit the Regalia SmartBuy page and navigate to lounge benefits. The third step is pretty simple. Generate your lounge access voucher. And voila, the fourth step is much more simpler. Receive the voucher via SMS or an email and present the QR code at the lounge terminal for entry. But what about international travel? Well, for lounge access outside India, cardholders can apply for a priority pass after completing 4 retail transactions. With the priority pass, users and their add-on members can enjoy up to 6 complimentary lounge visits per calendar year. Awesome, right? Hold on. Before rejoicing, remember this. Exceeding the complimentary visits will incur a fee of $27 plus GST. It's essential to note that using priority pass in India and inviting guests will result in charges on your credit card as well. So there you go. For more details, visit the official HDFC Bank website or get in touch with our customer support. And by the way, bon voyage and congratulations on the elevated benefits of your Regalia credit card. And lastly, follow Bank Bazaar for more credit card related information.